In this video I am going to show you the unboxing and installation of VWI 400 voltage stabilizer for 1.5 ton inverter AC. I bought this stabilizer from Chroma for approximately 5000. VWI 400 is an offline model. If you are planning to buy it online, you need to purchase VGuard ID4 ACE 5540. If you are planning to purchase it offline or from Chroma, you can go with the VWI. I am using ID4 ACE stabilizer from the past 4 years. It is working perfectly. The working range of this voltage stabilizer is 130 to 280 volts. Please do watch the unboxing and the installation of this stabilizer. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.